Suzuki just fired back. The 2026 V-Strom 650 XT is an adventure monster. "2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT Adventure is not just another adventure bike, it's a wake-up call to the entire ADV world. Suzuki didn't redesign this machine to follow trends, they built it to dominate real roads, real trails, and real adventures. If you think middleweight ADV bikes are boring, this one is about to prove you wrong in a big way. From the first glance, the 2026 V-Strom 650 XT Adventure looks ready to cross continents without asking permission. The beak-style front, wire-spoke wheels, skid plate, and tall stance scream purpose. This bike doesn't pose for Instagram, it's built to keep moving long after the pavement disappears. At the heart of this machine sits Suzuki's legendary 645cc V-twin, refined to deliver smooth, predictable power that works everywhere. On highways it cruises effortlessly, on twisty roads it feels playful, and on dirt trails it stays controllable. This engine has earned its reputation the hard way, by surviving hundreds of thousands of adventure miles. What really shocks riders is how balanced the V-Strom 650 XT feels. It's not intimidating, not twitchy, and not exhausting. Suzuki somehow nailed the sweet spot between comfort and control, making this bike equally friendly to beginners and deeply satisfying for seasoned adventure riders. The suspension setup on the 2026 model is tuned for real-world adventure, not spec sheet bragging rights. It absorbs broken pavement, gravel roads, and light off-road terrain with confidence, keeping the ride composed even when the road quality disappears completely. One of the biggest surprises is how comfortable this bike is over long distances. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-shaped seat turn hours into easy miles. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes you forget about time and focus on the horizon. Suzuki didn't overload the V-Strom with unnecessary electronics, but what's here actually matters. Traction control, ABS, and rider-focused systems work quietly in the background, helping you stay upright without ever stealing the joy of riding. Off-road. The XT Adventure package truly earns its name. The spoked wheels, engine protection, and adventure-ready ergonomics give riders the confidence to explore dirt roads, forest trails, and remote routes without second-guessing every obstacle. On pavement, the V-Strom transforms into a surprisingly capable sport tourer. Lean it into corners, and it responds with stability and confidence that many larger adventure bikes struggle to match. It feels light, predictable, and planted, exactly what riders want. Fuel efficiency is another area where this bike quietly dominates. Long range means fewer fuel stops, more exploration, and less stress when traveling through remote areas. For real adventure riders, this is a feature that matters more than flashy tech. Wind protection on the 2026 model has been refined for long-haul comfort. The adjustable windscreen keeps fatigue low at highway speeds while still allowing airflow during slow, technical riding. What makes the V-Strom 650 XT Adventure truly special is its reliability reputation. This bike is trusted worldwide for one reason: it works. Rain, heat, dust, cold, and abuse don't scare it, and that kind of dependability builds real confidence on long trips. Luggage capability is where this bike shines for serious travelers. With adventure-ready mounting points and strong subframe design, it's ready to carry everything from camping gear to full touring setups without feeling overwhelmed. In traffic and urban riding, the V-Strom feels surprisingly manageable. The balanced weight, smooth throttle, and predictable handling make daily commuting just as enjoyable as weekend adventures. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT Adventure doesn't try to be extreme, it tries to be useful, and that's exactly why riders love it. It's a motorcycle built for people who actually ride, not just those who talk about riding. Compared to larger, more expensive adventure bikes, the V-Strom 650 XT feels refreshingly honest. It delivers real performance, real comfort, and real capability without unnecessary complexity or intimidating size. This is the kind of motorcycle that grows with you. As your skills improve, the bike continues to deliver, encouraging longer trips, rougher roads, and bigger adventures without ever feeling out of its depth. If you're searching for an adventure bike that can handle highways, mountain roads, gravel paths, and everyday life without drama, the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT Adventure might be the most underrated weapon in the ADV world. And once you ride it, you'll understand why so many riders swear by it.